Today's recipe: besan peda. In a hot karai, add gram flour or besan 2 cups. Roast in low flame for a minute. Clarified butter or ghee 1 tablespoon. Mix well. Add milk 1 cup in batches. Mix well. Stir continuously. Roast it until turn into golden and aromatic in flavor. Transfer it into a plate. Let the roasted besan cool down completely. Now add chopped cashew 2 tablespoons, sugar powder 2 cups. You may add more or less the quantity of sugar powder as per taste. Cardamom powder 1 pinch. Grease your palm with ghee. Start mixing. Mix well to combine the sugar. At first your mixture may seem dry, but keep mixing or knead it with your hands. Make a greasy mixture. Grease your hands with ghee. Take small portions. Make the round shape. Press them a little to give the exact shape of pedas. Place small pieces of pistachios in center. Let them rest in the open air for 4 to 5 hours before serving. Store them in the refrigerator. Consume for 8 to 10 days. Thanks for watching Cook with Mahasina.